welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Whynot Kaale. You are welcome to join the family. Hit that subscribe button if you do enjoy this video and many other videos that I'll be doing. And yo guys, today I'm so excited. We are doing yet another deco. Yes guys, I don't know if you guys noticed that my background has been quite empty, so now I decided to switch things up a little bit. So in this video I'm going to easily show you how to install some floating shelf and just how to style it and also make it look a little bit pretty and beautiful. I'm going for a bohemian style kind of look, so if you're a fan of that, please stick around the video. It's gonna be amazing. And also I'm going to be I bought some candles from Mr. Price and some candle holders as well, but everything is like the sizes just don't match, so I'm going to be melting down the candle and just redoing my own candle in a way, so just to make sure everything is resized and fixed perfectly. So yeah, let's just get into it.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I'll go with the wind. The places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong. From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. a different side of me, yeah, yeah. Me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and now you've scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I'm done.
Guys, it's so dark right now. My DIY will come in handy. This is my candlelight corner where all the lights and the ambience come from, and I love it, you know. And it has this precious stone grow. It means, you know, as human beings we evolve and we grow every time, and I am accepting of growth and I want to grow. More personal development right there. And yeah, it's just giving me good vibes. And this candle, oh my gosh, it smells so good. And then these candles are on lemongrass. I DIY'd it. I guess you saw in the video before. And wow, how beautiful. How beautiful is that? I'm so happy with my DIYs. You know, because now that electricity is out, like, it still looks great, you know.
Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Thank you guys for watching until the end. Until next time, don't miss out for any of my videos, so make sure that you switch on your notification bell. Guys, please switch on your notification bell, okay, so that you don't miss any video from me. So yeah guys, until next time, love you.